Are you tired of attending networking events and feeling like they're a waste of time? Do you want to know how to network effectively and grow your business? Then keep watching because we have some powerful networking strategies for you. Number 1, leverage your existing network. Your existing network can be a great starting point for growing your business. Reach out to former colleagues, classmates, and industry contacts to reconnect and update them on your business. Ask for referrals and recommendations and offer to do the same in return. Don't underestimate the power of a strong referral as it can lead to explosive business growth. Number 2, join online communities. Joining online communities is an excellent way to connect with like-minded people and expand your network. Look for forums, Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, and Slack channels that are relevant to your industry or niche. Engage in meaningful conversations, offer your expertise, and build relationships. The key is to be helpful and valuable to the community, and you'll see the benefits of growing your network. Number 3, attend non-traditional networking events. While traditional networking events such as conferences and trade shows can be helpful, don't forget about non-traditional events. Attend charity events, concerts, and other community events to meet new people and create opportunities for business growth. You never know who you'll meet, and non-traditional events provide a more relaxed and informal setting for building relationships. Number 4, use social media to your advantage. Social media is a powerful tool for networking, but it's essential to use it effectively. Instead of randomly adding people on LinkedIn or sending generic messages, research the people you want to connect with and find common ground. Share relevant content, engage with their posts, and personalize your messages to stand out. The key is to be authentic and build genuine relationships. Number 5, offer value and build trust. Networking is not about collecting business cards, it's about building relationships. To grow your network, you need to offer value and build trust. Provide value by sharing your expertise, offering help, and connecting people. Show that you're reliable and trustworthy by following through on your commitments, being honest and respectful. When people know they can count on you, they'll be more likely to refer you to others. Networking is an essential part of growing your business. Whether you're leveraging your existing network, joining online communities, attending non-traditional events, using social media, or offering value and building trust, there are many ways to network effectively. Remember, networking is about building relationships, so be authentic, be helpful, and have fun. Thanks for watching and happy networking.